Guys, thank you for clicking and the aftermath of Bonfire Night. First of all, I just want to say I hope you had a great bonfire night and everybody's safe and well. But my bonfire night, on the other hand, well, it was a good night. It was brilliant. And I did manage to get some footage of some fireworks.
Oh, yeah.
However, I can't really remember it, to tell you the truth, because something happened, and it was this. I had a few drinks, guys, and it didn't help me film the fireworks properly. Let's just say that.
Jinx, that's all the jinx.
But I did manage to film the big bangers, including the pulsars and a few other fireworks that I fired that night. So stay tuned to the channel and let me know in the comments, how did your bonfire night go? Did you enjoy it? And I'll see you in the next video.